Today, we're going to build the N-1 Starfighter using 6 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x1 cone piece, and that's going to be the back of my Starfighter. And on that 1x1 cone piece, I'm going to grab a 1x1 plate, just a 1x1 plate, and put that into the 1x1 cone piece. And that's just going to kind of expand it out just a little bit. In a micro scale, a little bit is a lot. And then on that 1x1 plate, I'm going to get a 1x1 round plate with a hole in the stud. I need that hole in the stud. I'm going to put that into the 1x1 plate like this, so they're all sticking together, and that's like the body of my Starfighter. The next thing I'm going to grab is this T-bar piece. The T-bar piece is going to go into that 1x1 round plate with the hole in it, and just stick it in as far as you can, and it's almost completely in there. And then all we have to do is for the side engines of that N-1 Starfighter, I'm going to grab 2 minifigure hands in yellow. And what you want to do is you want it so that the big end of the hand or the top of the hand is facing in, and just slide it on the end of the bar like this. And so the reason you do the big end is because if you put the big end on the outside and you just stick it in, you see the engine just goes too close to the body. So you want that top part of the hand that sticks out on the inside of that T-bar like this to create a micro N-1 Starfighter for Naboo to fight off the Trade Federation.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.